Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your screen mirroring not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. So very first step you want to do is just pull down that control menu, put your phone on airplane mode, and then turn off airplane mode. And that is a quick network refresh of things like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now after that, click on screen mirror here and see if your screen mirror shows up, and then switch between them. So go from your iPhone speaker and then to your device just to make sure that the connectivity reconnects. Now if you're still having an issue, the next thing you want to do is just go to your setting and then start by making sure that you're on the same network as your TV or your basically device. Sometimes if they're on a different network, it's not going to work. And then for Bluetooth, you want to go ahead and turn off and then on, and then try to do the screen mirror from here to see if that helps as well. So that should help you as well. So couple things that you want to go ahead and do. Now, if it's still not working, go ahead and the next thing you want to go ahead and make sure that in your setting, you're going to go to general and then look for your VPN and device management. If you're using a VPN or a private DNS app or server, you need to make sure those are turned off temporarily to see if that is blocking it. Sometimes disabling that or even ad blockers can fix issues that it can be blocking it. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you're going to do is go and just restart both your device, like the TV and your iPhone as well. So device, you probably power it on and off, just pull the plug and then plug it back in. On the iPhone, you can use the volume up and the side button here just to slide off and then restart as well. Or you can just pull down the top menu, click on the power icon right here. It'll bring up the same menu. So let's go ahead and click on there and then slide to power off and then power back on. A quick restart will fix most connectivity issues. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure your phone is updated. So in your setting, go to general, software update. You want to update to it because a previous update might be causing issues with the screen mirror. If it stopped working and you recently updated, you may be looking to update again. A bug fix might be available for it. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is that make sure you are using the 5G network if it's available on both your devices. Like I mentioned, make sure they're on the same Wi-Fi and then also 5G if possible. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to do if it's still not working is go to your setting, go to general, and this time we're going to go all the way down here to transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset, and you need to do a reset network settings. It'll reset all of your network settings such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, but really important to do on it if you just can't get screen mirroring to work. You may also need to do a network reset on your device. So for the device that you have to look up how to do a network reset if you're still having issues. Now, let's say you're still having any issues with it. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is that make sure that you're close proximity to your router, because sometimes if you're too far away with your devices, it doesn't have that connectivity band, and iPhone mirroring will not work as well. And then along with that is if you have open running apps, you want to go ahead and close them up. Sometimes they can interfere with what you're trying to screen mirror. So if you're trying to screen mirror maybe a show or a movie or something, it might be trying to play something else and interfering with that as well. So that's going to be something else to do. So those are going to be some of the top things you're going to do to fix it. I hope this video is helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.